There's also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to Follow and Save All, the delicious and easy recipes. Potatoes for health and nutrition. They're rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant. Potatoes were a life-saving food source in early times because the vitamin C prevented scurvy. Another major nutrient in potatoes is potassium, an electrolyte which aids in the workings of our heart, muscles, and nervous system. Of rice, pasta, potatoes, and bread, potatoes are the healthiest of these starchy and complex carbohydrate foods. This is because potatoes are dense in nutrients, containing essential minerals, vitamins, and other micronutrients. Potatoes are also high in fiber, helping to satiate hunger and regulate blood sugar. As they age, or with improper storage, potatoes may develop sprouting and green spots. If there isn't any sprouting, you can use the color change as an indicator of spoilage. If the skin looks greenish or if there's sprouting present, you'll need to remove the sprouts or toss the whole potato, depending on severity. Potatoes are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, especially when eaten with the skin on. However, like any food, the healthiness of boiled potatoes depends on how they are prepared and consumed. If they are eaten in moderation and as part of a balanced diet, boiled potatoes can be a nutritious choice. The iron, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, and zinc in potatoes all help the body to build and maintain bone structure and strength. Iron and zinc play crucial roles in the production and maturation of collagen. Pepper contains a variety of active compounds, specifically oleoresins and alkaloids like piperine and chavacine. It also has antioxidants, flavonoids, essential oil, and other phenolic compounds that help protect your cells and boost digestive health. There are more delicious potatoes recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.